Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to change your steering wheel emblem from this old, peeling, crusty one to this brand new, shiny and fresh one. For this project you'll need a brand new emblem, got this one off AliExpress for a couple of euros, some flathead screwdrivers, an 8mm socket driver, a 13mm wrench to isolate the battery, a spline socket if your battery is under the seat, a rotary tool with a small grinder attachment, and lastly, I'm using my throwaway soldering iron that I'm no longer using. We'll begin by turning the key to the ignition and steering 90 degrees anti-clockwise. Behind the steering wheel, there's an opening. Use a flathead screwdriver to push on a metal clip that will release one side of the airbag. Now turn the steering wheel 180 degrees the other direction and do the same again. Center the steering wheel and remove the key to lock it in place. The airbag is free to move, but don't yank it out. We'll need to disconnect some electrics first. Disconnect your battery, in my case it's near the passenger seat, and just check there is no power. We'll undo the airbag connector first. Slide a flathead screwdriver under the purple tab to unclip it. Remove it by hand, press on the yellow tab, and the connector is free. Push on the little metal clip to undo the steering wheel controls connector. I'm bringing my airbag home where it's easier to work on, and now we're going to remove these 4 plastic bits by pushing on one of the black tabs. Now, using an 8mm bit, we'll undo the 4 nuts holding the airbag bracket. Remove the harness from the clip, unplug the 3 wires. Now the bracket can be removed and set aside. Now very carefully, and I mean very carefully, remove the airbag from the steering wheel cover. I want to keep it exactly as it was before. Pull it from all sides evenly and gently. Once that's done, set it aside. Grab your rotary tool and we're going to grind the plastic tabs down one by one. Once you're done, work your way around, pushing the tabs out, and soon your old emblem should be free to remove. Clean up the cover, wiping away any grime or dust. Now, aligning the tabs with their holes, insert the new emblem into its place. Note there is an extra alignment leg on the Audi logo. Fits nicely. Now, flip it around and holding pressure on the emblem with your fingers, use the soldering iron to melt the plastic tabs. Now, it's not as pretty as the factory job, but it'll be tucked away, so as long as it's functional, I'm happy. Now we'll do all the previous steps in reverse to reassemble it. Carefully fit the airbag back into its place, making sure the rubber clips fit over the airbag. Next, feed the wires through and fit the bracket, making sure to reconnect the 3 wires and route the harness back into the clip. Fasten the 4 8mm nuts. Fix the 4 clips back into their place, making sure to align the legs with their metal counterparts. And just like that, the airbag is assembled. Reconnect the yellow connector and insert the purple clip, making sure the retaining bit is facing upwards. Reconnect the steering wheel controls and fit the plug into its recess. Wiggle the airbag into its place and give it a good push. Reconnect your battery. Start your car up, and with a bit of help from a junior apprentice, just check everything is working fine. And there you have it. If you have any questions, post them down below. This is Adam G. See you next time.